USD, the greenback, the dollar is very much in focus right now, guys, as markets further price in potential action from the central bank, the Federal Reserve. What are we anticipating? Well, markets are pricing in a 87% chance of a rate cut, slashing of interest rates come the summer, actually in June. Now, why are markets expecting this? Well, really, in terms of the amount of that being priced in, that largely increased yesterday specifically, actually. Well, at the open sort of Sunday, Monday, when we had that huge sell-off in the riskier assets, stocks being slammed, big safe haven flows, so on and so forth, because of the coronavirus spreading globally, not just domestically in China, as I say, but globally, right? We're seeing it in Italy, Croatia, Iran, South Korea, all these big sort of nations. So really picking up some pace in terms of its spreading. So the reason why markets are pricing in a rate cut is potentially for them, obviously, to try and offset any potential negative implications that the coronavirus has on the US economy. So, it's just almost like being ready to just cushion that potential damage from the coronavirus. So what does this mean anyway for the dollar, right? Just bringing that back to markets for you guys. Well, given that this is still, look, this is a high chance of it being, it coming into play, just according to markets, by 87%, if you look at the CME FedWatch tool. So it's largely priced in, but I still believe there's room for some dollar weakness as we head towards that June, because a couple of things. One, data last Friday wasn't good from the US. It was absolutely abysmal when we look at the manufacturing PMI. So every single data right now, the markets will look for an excuse to sell dollar, okay? Sell dollar if the data's bad, because it'll mean further potential rate action from the FOMC, not even just one, maybe twice in 2020. So every single data is going to be heavily scrutinized. And obviously, from the start of this year, from the get-go of 2020, we've just seen pumping to the upside for dollar. So it's only right that we see somewhat of a technical correction for it anyway, and the fundamentals just going hand in hand to push that on its way to correct somewhat as well. Guys, look, in terms of all this, as we always say every single day, we are working behind the scenes, providing analysis to the members, how to tie that in all to the charts, educational, so on and so forth. Check out our membership, freaknetwork.io, baby, or check out our fundamentals course. That is lit. forexfundamentals.io. Other than that, let's get it.